Remove a broken tap. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a broken tap with a resharpened masonry bit into a spade bit, and also how not to damage the existing hole by using a guide plate. Okay. Oh, by the way, do me a favor, like and subscribe. It's free and it'll help me out. Okay, let's get started right now. Okay, that last part of the video is a little over the top. I could not snap the tap in the drill press, so I had to force snap it with a hammer. Okay, what I ended up doing in a previous video is I sharpened some masonry bits into spade bits. So if you take a look at the one on the left, it was originally looking like the one on the right. And by doing so, it'll actually cut into hardened metal. So this is me just setting up. I'm center drilled a hole, I drilled a hole, I tapped the hole. I tried to break the tap while it was inside of the drill press, but I just could not get it to snap off. That's why I had to use the hammer. Okay, so now we see we have a protruding part sticking up. So what we need to do is I'm going to grind this down so it's flat. Then I'm going to drill a hole in another plate because I can't center punch this. If this is just a bolt, I could center punch this, not a problem. But it's not a bolt, it's hardened material, so I can't center punch it. So I'm going to put another plate on top and clamp the plate down to guide my drill. So what I did is I just took this and ground it flat on the end, on the grinder here. Just enough to flatten it down so it's not protruding or have an angle sticking up. Ground this flat, or as flat as I can. I can't center punch. If this is a hardened bolt, I could center punch it, but since it's a tap, I cannot. So what I'm going to do is I drilled a hole, and then I need to line up. I don't know if you'll be able to see that or not. I need to line up the tap. Oh. There we go, need to line up the tapped hole. So what I've done is I've clamped my part on, tried to line this up the best I could. So the top plate is actually a guide that's going to guide the drill. The speed to 3100 RPM. I've installed our modified masonry bit, but I have not clamped down the vise. Now that I have my center established, I'm going to clamp the vise down. There we go. Vise is clamped, our guide is clamped, and we're ready to go. Okay, I'm going to slow it down and use some coolant. Maybe not. Okay. Use a bit of oil. Not bad, eh? Okay, we need to blow the hole out a bit. Okay, let's retap. Almost forgot. Some people are going to ask, what does the drill bit look like now? Put that in behind it. It's got some wear marks on it. I'll take it out and show you. Okay, it's not very pretty, but I mean, it still has a cutting edge on it. I bet you that'll still cut mild steel. Let's roll that guy around. It's a little beat up. See, the edge is still there? Bet you that'll still cut mild steel. Okay, let's see if this guy will actually drill again. Slip it. Now this is cheating because it's mild steel and my plate's slipping a bit. Now that we've cleaned out most of the junk that's in there, what we want to do is take a dull tap or a non brand new tap and go in and re-tap and remove some of the debris. See the little chips popping out there, you get a little bit of crackle. And clean out the thread. Okay, I think I got her. Grab your test bolt here. Not quite, still a little bit. Sometimes this takes once more. There we go. Just a little bit of stuff caught in the threads. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making this video. Don't forget to check out my YouTube channel, Shop and Math, for other awesome videos relating to shop and math. Also, please like and subscribe. It's free and it'll help me out. All you have to do is click on the icon of my face and I'll do the rest. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great night.